Then turn around and show them. Okay, good. Now do the back, if you can. Now do the other one. Wait for me, Sydney. Do her front. Now do her back.
Okay.
She's just picking it up for you. Now show them that it's okay if you pull her tail. Let's get it. Let me see. Can I do it? Okay, good. Now go to the front. Do something else, like swing the rope over or something. Practice. Swing the rope over. Trotter, trotter, trotter. Do whatever you think. Walker first, Walker. Then trotter. When you think it's time. Sydney, just do it. Walk, trot, do something. And if you can try to gallop. And say, whoa. Now pet her, let her eat, and pick up her foot. Either one. Squeeze the thing, Sandy, remember.